The Cuisinart 7-piece cutlery set with sharpener offers a comprehensive solution for home chefs looking to combine durability with functional design. Each blade is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion over time. This collection includes essential tools such as a chef knife, utility knife, and paring knife, providing the versatility needed for a wide range of kitchen tasks from slicing meats to finely dicing vegetables. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart 7-piece cutlery set with sharpener is the innovative wooden storage block, which includes an integrated ceramic sharpener. This built-in tool allows users to maintain the precision edge of their blades with every use, eliminating the need for separate sharpening equipment. The knives themselves feature ergonomic handles designed for a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended food preparation sessions. Investing in the Cuisinart 7-piece cutlery set with sharpener ensures that your kitchen remains organized and your tools stay protected within a compact footprint. The sleek stainless steel finish provides a modern aesthetic that complements any countertop decor, while the robust construction promises reliability for everyday cooking. By keeping all necessary blades within reach and consistently sharp, this set streamlines the culinary process for both beginners and experienced cooks alike. Pros: exceptionally sharp blades, compact and stylish design, fits perfectly on counters, great value for money, includes sharp scissors, built-in knife sharpener, solid stainless steel construction, high build quality, comfortable to hold, attractive storage block, makes meal prep efficient. Cons: extreme sharpness requires careful handling, potentially dangerous for careless users, requires high level of respect, may make old knives feel inferior. Features: 7-piece cutlery set, stainless steel blades, built-in blade sharpener, natural wood storage block, ergonomic handle design, precision tapered ground blades, high carbon stainless steel, full tang construction, triple rivet handles, professional cutting performance. The Cuisinart 7-piece cutlery set with sharpener offers a comprehensive solution for home chefs looking to combine durability with functional design. Each blade is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion over time. This collection includes essential tools such as a chef knife, utility knife, and paring knife, providing the versatility needed for a wide range of kitchen tasks from slicing meats to finely dicing vegetables. The Cuisinart 7-piece stainless steel essentials cutlery block set offers exceptional value through its high build quality, stylish compact design, and solid stainless steel construction that fits easily on any counter. While the exceptionally sharp blades and built-in sharpener make meal prep highly efficient and comfortable, the extreme sharpness demands a high level of respect and careful handling to avoid injury. Users will appreciate the included scissors and attractive storage block, though the superior performance of these tools may make older kitchen knives feel instantly inferior.